Hi, University Christian School community. Thank you for joining me as we take a deeper look at our ACSI Flourishing School survey results that you were an instrumental part of helping us achieve back in the fall of 2021.
Through a multi-year research endeavor, ACSI identified 35 constructs that support 5 main primary domains which create a school community that consists of healthy spiritual, emotional, and cultural characteristics. This research was validated by a rigorous independent review, and as a result, I would like to share the results of our surveys with you. The Flourishing School model began in 2018. The instrument itself is a research-based approach to assist schools in both sustainability and maintaining a culture that flourishes and promotes student and community success. The Flourishing School model provides a breakdown into 5 main domains of school culture. Those include purpose, relationships, learning orientation, expertise and resources, and well-being. Let's take a deeper look at the results of University Christian School and our Flourishing School surveys. The first area, as a meaningful strength, came about in the area of purpose. And you'll note there's 3 main strengths that all fall under the domain of purpose. The first is holistic teaching. This means that our teachers know and understand that their work involves helping students to develop them spiritually and emotionally. Our teachers know that they are teaching the heart, soul, and the mind. Staying in the purpose domain is also God's story. Our students here at University Christian believe and understand that they are a part of God's bigger plan and they can be used by Him to make a difference. Last but not least in the area of purpose is that of responsibility. And that means that our leaders, our teachers, and our staff members all feel a sense of shared ownership for the success of our school, especially in alignment with our mission. The fourth meaningful strength came in the area of expertise and planning, specifically in that of resource planning. University Christian School has established a strategic financial and campus facility plan through our executive board, and we are happy with those results and also our desire to maintain long-term success and sustainability. The fifth area of meaningful strengths came in the area of relationships, specifically leadership interdependence. Leadership interdependence believes or thrives around the fact and the understanding that leaders want to have transparent conversations and leverage a variety of diverse backgrounds to offset one another's weaknesses. We're proud of those meaningful strengths, and we're thankful for the feedback that you've given us that validates those. The Flourishing School survey also provided us with 5 key growth opportunities. The first and the highest opportunity came in the domain of purpose, specifically under the area of questioning. The survey found that many of our students are facing a time of spiritual questioning, and many may even feel a negative sense in regards to conversations or interactions with other believers. The second area of strategic growth came in the area of well-being. Specifically, that involved the area of stress. COVID-19 has added an extra layer of stress for all of our teachers, our staff, our parents, and our students. However, we also realize that each of those individuals could be feeling a sense of stress and a desired need to improve well-being. The third area of the Flourishing School survey results in the area of key growth opportunities came about in teaching, and specifically under individualized instruction. There is a need for instruction to not be one size fits all. Students who learn differently are in need of additional support, and it is a challenge that has been given to us to address. Fourth is in the area of relationships. The Flourishing School survey found that University Christian School, perhaps in the fall of 2021, maintained an insular culture, and that means that University Christian can be isolated from the overall community in one or more ways. Last but not least, staying in the area of relationships was establishing a caring environment. Caring for all students, as well as addressing bullying, could help University Christian School students' perceptions of the overall student environment. As a result of those key growth opportunities, we look forward to advancing ahead and making strategic advancements for University Christian School. And as a result, I'd like to share with you just exactly what is next. With that in mind, let's take a look. As a school, University Christian will apply the information that's been given to us as a result of the Flourishing School surveys to existing focus areas. Many of the areas provided by the Flourishing School survey, specifically in the key growth opportunity areas, are areas of focus that our staff and our faculty are already well aware of. We want to apply that information to those existing areas and continue to make each of those areas of focus in the coming year. Next, we want to begin to form focus groups. Those focus groups could consist of parents, students, and/or faculty members, or all of the above. Those focus groups will help us take a deep dive into each specific strength and key growth opportunity to form plans for advancement in the future. Moving forward into the fall of 2022, we will continue with additional surveys from ACSI and the Flourishing School model. This is something that we want to continue to utilize and seek your input and your feedback as we continue to be a school that flourishes in all areas. Last but not least, our accreditation with ACSI will take place in the spring of 2023. ACSI has recently announced a new model that will utilize the Flourishing School model and survey results. Each of these 5 domains will be instrumental in our reaccreditation from early ed all the way through our upper school. And so as a result, we will want to strengthen each of these 5 domains and take the key growth opportunities that have been presented to us and improve upon those so that our students, our faculty, our parents, and the entire UC community are well served as a result of University Christian School and our focus on Christian education.
So that's it. That's our survey results. You played an instrumental part in giving us those meaningful strengths and our key growth opportunities. And we look forward to working with you, your family, and your students specifically as we strive to make University Christian School a school that flourishes.